G'day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video very quickly I will show you how to remove facial verification in Binance. So guys, firstly in the right upper part of the screen, you just click on your profile button right over here. After that you go to your accounts. And guys, it's very simple. This is just a dummy account that I've created, but it's no problem. You just need to go to your account and then security. As you can see, I'm not verified as well. Make sure you're verified as well for that. So after going to security, as you can see, we have all the possible settings that are related to security and managing your safety, right? So biometrics, two-step verification, authenticator app, as you can see. And right over here, guys, as you can see, we have a tab that says, not a tab, like a row that says passkeys. And as you can see, it's also in the brackets that says biometrics. This is where you manage it. So in my case, as you can see, it's disabled. After you enable it, it's going to be set as enabled. And after that, you can just disable it. So as you can see, in my case, it's add passkey. In your case, it's going to be remove passkey. So in order to remove your passkey, of course, you will have to use those biometrics once again, like one last time to remove it. And then it's going to be removed. That's how it's done, guys. Very easy through the app and through the browser as well. Enjoy the video, like and subscribe. See you very soon, guys.